So today I'm just been getting the injectors ready to be installed, but I've got to change the old plug, which was a Bosch plug, which is from the original ones to the back to the factory SR21s, which I got from EFI Solutions. So I've done these three. They're pretty easy to do. So I'm pretty sure the red wire, as that plugs into the injector, the red wire on each one has to face to the front of the car, just so you know. And it's the white one, injector 1, yellow's number 2, green 3, blue the back one here 4. So I'll just show you the way I terminate these pins. There's not that many videos on people doing this sort of stuff, so I figured I'd make a video and put it out there if someone gets stuck in the future. So I'll show you how I do it anyway. So first thing first, you just got to get the wire off. You know, you need about 3 or 5 mil on this part, on the copper part where it terminates. So first thing first, you've got to slide your little cable seals on. Get them on first, because if you forget, you have to redo it. Common rookie mistake, that one. Just trying to untangle these as well to make this look neat. There we go. Get your dust seal on, like so. So you sort of get that all together. Just give it a little trim so it's flush. The camera picks that up. And then what I always do, I sort of put the wire in. I do have the crimper that does these, but I can never get it right. So I always get my little long nose pliers just to shape it. And then you can, this is the part, the bottom part here, that supports the insulation of the cable. So it takes the pressure off the terminal where it's pinned in. So once I've sort of got them folded over a little bit, get your crimper matched up with it, whichever one you think's the closest. I'm using the D1. And just basically crimp it, and that's done. And then I always give it a pull test. Make sure it doesn't move. Pull it pretty hard because you don't want this coming out, especially an injector plug. Give it a little bit more if you want. That's pretty secure. And then you get the next size up. So I've gone for the D, now I'm going to a C to crimp this back part onto the insulation. And then, as you can see, that's solid, that's not going anywhere, it's not going to come loose. And then you grab this part, and you got like a flat side here, and I'm pretty sure sort of that's the top of the injector, and that just goes, as that plugs in here, the red side's on the facing the front of the car, and that just slides in. You should hear a little click. There it is, and that's pretty much done. And then just slide the little dust seal into the hole here. And do the same for the other one. That's pretty much all you got to do. And then there is another dust seal that sits in this side. It just goes around the top here. Just get something to pop that in. pop that down the back there with a little screwdriver or something. And there you have it. I'll do the other one. I'll show you what it looks like after I do the other one. Got a little retainer clip here, just pops into the front here. That's about it. There's your injector plug done, ready to be plugged into the injector. That way. Beautiful.